What's up, guys, and happy Halloween. I thought I would give you a special extra episode for today, and I will be unboxing the deluxe and the mini Halloween mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you want to see what's inside of these babies, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I received this a few days ago, but because I was busy editing the previous video, and if you didn't see it, then you need to go watch it. Let's start with the mini mystery box and see what's inside of it. Okay, so I don't know what just happened, but in the mini mystery box, I received these three products right here. I have a velour liquid lipstick in the color Unicorn Blood, a velour lip liner also in the color Unicorn Blood, one of the glosses in the color Crystal Climax. The velour lip liner retails for $16. The gloss in the color Crystal Climax retails for $18. And we all know by now, or I know by now just by memory, that the velour liquid lipsticks retail for $18. Let me just make sure before you guys come for me. Let's see, velour liquid lipstick. Yep, I'm right. So when you think about it, you have $52 right here. Okay, so the mini mystery box retails for $25, and you're getting $52 worth inside the mystery box. I think that's pretty good. That's a really good deal. So now we're gonna be moving into the deluxe mystery box, and I can't wait to see what's inside of this one. Okay, I'm excited about this one. Okay, inside there is a velour liquid lipstick in the color Designer Blood. There is a lip balm. Oh, I'm excited. In the color Widow. I don't remember what this one looks like. We're gonna have to open this one. Okay, so I really want to try or see what this lip balm looks like. Oh my god. This packaging, you guys, is gorgeous. Do you guys see how gorgeous this looks? It's amazing. Oh, it's a black lip balm, and this is what it looks like. I am gonna swatch it. It goes on, yeah, it does go on a little bit black. If I didn't have lip gloss, if I didn't have gloss on my lips, then I would definitely try it, but oh, it smells like it smells like licorice, I think. It does smell like licorice, so, but it's not a strong licorice smell. It's very faint, but I mean, if you don't like licorice, or you kind of do, like I said, the smell is kind of faint, so you might like it, you may not. But I just love this packaging. It's stunning. So, yeah. There is a velour lip scrub in the flavor Watermelon Gum. I can't wait to try that one. I love the lip scrubs, you guys. There is another gloss. This one is Legends Only, and I think I got this one. There is another velour lip liner. This one is in the color Red Rum. And there is this beautiful thing right here called Extreme Frost highlighting powder. I've been dying to try one of these. Obviously, since I'm excited about it, you can tell that I haven't purchased one of these myself, but I can't wait to try this one. This one is actually in the color Sour Ice. Do you see it? Can you see the light? Come on, focus, damn it. Anyway, that's the Sour Ice highlighter. And then you can kind of see it. I just had to try it on, so. Obviously this is a palette. I can't wait to see which one it is. Oh, this is the Blood Sugar palette, you guys. If you know and you've seen my previous videos, you know that I already have this. So most of these I'll probably end up doing a giveaway. I don't know. I'm excited about these. I'm excited about doing a giveaway. We'll have to see what happens. Alright, looks like I got a t-shirt. It's a tie-dye t-shirt with the Jeffree Star like spider logo. This is the shirt. I actually love the design because it's not really tie-dye. It's like, what would you call it? Like splatter. But this is the shirt. You can see the logo. The logo is also on the back. You can see it better over here. And I'm not sure if this one was for sale, to be honest with you. I don't remember this one being on there. And that's pretty much it. That's everything. So let's see how much we actually got. The deluxe box goes for $100, right? The velour liquid lipstick, we already know it's $18. As well as the gloss. The lip liner is $16. And this one, the lip balm, let's see. I'm gonna have to search for this one because I don't know what this one is. You can tell from the packaging that it's from the cremated collection. So this one isn't popping up when I put it in, so I'm not sure if this is a special edition, which Jeffree is known to do that for his mystery boxes, especially if you get the medium and the deluxe. He's known to throw in some like special products that aren't released to the public. So I'm not really quite sure on that one. Don't come for me on that one if it's not true. I just can't find it. So because when I go to look for the lip balm, the only one that pops up is the Diet Shane lip balm from the Conspiracy collection. So I'm not sure why this one isn't popping up. Like I said, it might be a special edition, it might not be. Don't come for me if it's not. I mean, I hadn't heard of that one. So yeah, the Blood Sugar palette retails for $52. And so let's just keep adding these up. The lip scrubs, I'm not sure on these, so let me look these up. So the watermelon gum lip scrub retails for $12. And now we have this baby right here, the Extreme Frost highlighting powder. The Extreme Frost retails for $50. Yes, that's right, $50. That's one of the reasons why I didn't purchase it before. I don't know, whatever, call me cheap, I don't care. The t-shirts Obviously this one wasn't on the website either. So, but his t-shirts do retail for $25. So adding all of them up, we get a total of $209. And if you pay $100 for a deluxe mystery box, you're getting double their money's worth, as well as you get with the mini mystery box. And to me, I think it's totally worth it, you guys. Jeffree really doesn't disappoint, and like I said, I'm gonna be rocking this for Halloween, so I can't wait to use that. And that's it. It's a short little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed my little Halloween is here little series that I did for this month. I have had a lot of fun doing it, and I always have fun doing the Halloween looks. They're so much fun to do for me, and just to get so much praise for what I do. I love doing it, and when I post my pictures on Instagram, people love them, and so it just, it's awesome. It's an awesome feeling, and I love doing what I do. So thank you guys for watching, and come back for a special Dia de los Muertos look that I'll also be doing for, obviously, Dia de los Muertos. So come back and enjoy that one. And yeah, so that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye.